In this video is all you need to know about Avrae, whether you're a beginner or an experienced player, starting with inviting the bot and how to use it, and ending with customizing your attacks to look cool. Stay tuned till the end if you're looking to find a place to play D&D, with over 8 to 10 games daily. Avrae is a free Discord bot from D&D Beyond and Wizards of the Coast, and it's used to link your character sheet to Discord to do anything your character can do in chat. It's super easy to learn and to set up. First, go to invite.avrae.io, then log into your Discord account and select the server you want to add it to, then click Authorize, and you're done. How to import. Whatever you use to create your character sheet online, be it D&D Beyond, G Sheet, or Dice Cloud, it can be imported into Avrae very easily. You simply go into a chat in a Discord server with Avrae, then use the command !import, followed by the character sheet link.
How to use Avrae. Let's start with the beginner stuff. First up, let's try ordinary rolls. All Avrae commands start with an exclamation mark, followed by the word or the first letter of that word that you're trying to do. For the example, we're going to use the exclamation mark followed by the letter R for roll. And if you want to roll twice, just add the R twice. Exclamation R, 1d20 plus 4. Exclamation R, 1d100. And exclamation RR, 2, 1d20 plus 3 plus 1d4. Next, let's go over spells, attacks, saves, and checks. Same as the ordinary rolls, we're going to start with the exclamation mark, then attack, save, or check. And for the shorts, you can use A, S, or C, respectively. Here's some examples. Exclamation, attack, greatsword, or exclamation A, greatsword. Or you could use the even shorter version, exclamation A, GRE. Keep in mind that using the first couple of letters of the thing you want to do is enough for Avrae to pick up. For the spells, it's as easy as exclamation cast shield or exclamation cast firebolt. For saves, try exclamation save, dexterity, or the shorter version, exclamation S, dex. And finally, the checks, exclamation check, perception, or exclamation C, PERC. Now let's move on to advantage and disadvantage. This one is actually really simple. Just add ADV or DIS after the command, exclamation A, DAG, ADV, or exclamation C, CURV, DIS. That stands for dagger and survival, just so you know. Now let's move on to portraits. That's it. It's just exclamation portrait to show off your character's portrait. And if you ever want to change it, just use exclamation portrait update and you insert the picture's link just so. Next up, resting along with short and long rests. Since we have two kinds of rests, let's start with the main thing, which is exclamation G, then long rest or short rest. We can also use them with shortcuts, being LR or SR. Here's some examples. Exclamation G, LR, or exclamation G, long rest. Long. Next, we'll talk about initiative. This one is just a normal check like any other. So just start off with exclamation C, INIT, or exclamation check, initiative. Personally, I don't know why anyone would type in the whole thing. Next up, HP and THP. So the basic command is exclamation G, HP, negative or plus the number of HP that you'll either subtract or add to your character. Here's some examples for this. Exclamation G, HP, negative 10, or exclamation G, THP, plus 6. Now let's get to the lookups. One of the best things to make it easy to look up anything, just type the thing that you want and it will display it. Here's some examples. Exclamation spell, shield, or exclamation rule, prone, exclamation item, ring of amidity, exclamation class feat, steady aim, and exclamation feat, tough. Next, let's go over the initiative trackers for players. This one has a lot of cool features to it, but we'll keep it simple since we're going to make a more detailed video about it later. Hey, subscribe if you're interested. Anyway, once the DM starts combat, to roll initiative, just use exclamation I join, and it will roll for you. The only difference here is the targeting for spells and attacks is a very simple addition to the commands. Here's some examples. -T target icon. What I mean by this is that the DM will usually add some short nicknames to them, like for goblins, it will be GO1. And to target them, we simply add -T GO1. A good example of this attack, exclamation cast firebolt -T GO1.
In order to sync your character sheets with Avrae after leveling up, adding or changing things in your sheets, you can do exclamation mark updates, and that's it. Avrae will take care of the rest. And if you have multiple characters and you want to switch between them, you can do exclamation mark R and then the character name you want to use. Example, exclamation mark R shine. And that's the end of the beginner's part. And if you're still watching to find a place to play D&D, check out the Study Short intro video here. Subscribe for future tutorials that will be added in the playlist here.